Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas on Wide World of Wendy. Let me show you. Yeah, if these floors could talk. That's a crime scene. Right, Smooch? Oh, I gotta get this out of here. This is a crime. Look, if those floors could talk right now, they'd be screaming. So, today's episode, holiday bathroom mop rescue. Fast, fresh, guest-friendly, no tears. So before we mop, we sweep. Because you know, we want to get up all the hair, the dust, the crumbs, those things we don't talk about. We're just going to sweep them all up like the professionals we are. Getting all those crumbs up, that's the equivalent of like clearing your search history. Not sure I'm going to be able to get that crumb up, though. That's a big crumb. Gonna need a bigger bag. When you're on limited time, you're not mopping the whole world. You're only going to mop the main places people are going to be seeing. You're going to want to hit these areas first. That main walkway, and then around the toilet, also known as ground zero. Go in front of the sink and finish up with that awkward little corner where all the dust goes to gossip. After all those bigger strokes, then you're going to go back with a microfiber cloth and hit the smaller spots that make a difference. Right in front of the toilet, maybe the makeup splashes right under the sink. And also, while you're here, just grab the baseboards. Only in this room, just a quick wipe around with those, with a microfiber cloth. Real quick, baseboards. Easy. And the final touch, let's have it smell like a spa, not people. Much better. You can spray a light spray, but remember, light. We're not trying to fumigate our guests, we're just trying to clear the air. Final touch, make sure the toilet paper roll is full, ready to go. Swap out your hand towel, and maybe for something a little festive. Add a little festive touch here. Make sure you've got plenty of soap, and you're good to go. You did it! Fast mop, fresh vibes, bathroom rescued. Guests would never know you were panicking 10 minutes ago. Chaos managed. Holiday edition.